Ready to satisfy your sweet tooth? Today I'm going to teach you how to make some faux chocolate bars that make the cutest props, wreath attachments, and more. Always start by gathering all your supplies. You're going to need a white board, which I got from Michael's, some felt colors of your choice. You can get the foil sheets from Amazon. These ones are 7.5 by 6. You'll need a ruler. I stole my daughter's, don't tell her. And I highly recommend getting the X-Acto knife. It'll make it way easier when you have to cut. I got mine from Amazon. The foam sticker letters are from Michael's. So I did a couple different sizes, but I'm showing you the 2.5 by 5.5 here. So try to measure out your lines as straight as you can, and then you're going to grab your X-Acto knife and just cut along those lines. Then you just pull it out like a tooth and cut off any imperfections that you see. Then of course you're going to repeat the process with any additional sizes. If you don't feel like buying the foil sheets, you can always use regular foil. That's what I did here for my large ones. But back to the small ones, we're just going to glue the long sides like this first. And if you don't have a hot glue gun, you could always use glue dots for this. Now we're going to make some tiny triangle folds here in the corners, and we're going to glue those and fold it over. Again, you can use glue dots or even tape here. We're not going to really see it. Now that you've got your chocolate bar wrapped in foil, go ahead and grab your felt. Obviously, we want some foil showing on our bars, so I measured out about 1/2 inch from the ends, maybe a little less. And then I made the length about 6 inches or so, roughly. Guys, I am not a fan of the rotary cutter. It did not work for this. I went straight for the scissors. Just make sure your lines are nice and straight and it'll work perfectly. So now we just have to glue these sides over, like so. Now I'm super big on eyeballing, so I didn't really care too much about the back since nobody was going to see them. But if you want yours to be perfect, by all means, measure exact. Now here go the easy part, especially if you don't have nails like me. But go ahead and stick your letters on. Of course, if you'll be selling these or if they're going to be manhandled, go ahead and glue them on. But for all intents and purposes of this tutorial, I just stuck them on. And here's the adorable outcome. I hope you guys make them. Tag me if you do and follow for more.